Are these 1/64 scale model hitches I found on Amazon any good? Does this video mark the end of crafting hitches quick, as seen a while back? There's only one way to find out. Is RT Spacer with you? It's time to get some of these on and get rolling. So the first step is taking a good look at the truck you're adding one of these to. This is important because if you simply glue the hitch on, it might turn out like this. Now, if you're okay with this, that's all there is to it. You're done. But for me, I knew I wasn't done because this bothered me a lot. So I wound up taking that off and chopping off the big block on the other side of the hitch. Yep, I just chopped it right off, as you'll see in this video, perhaps multiple times. This was necessary in order to achieve the look I was going for. Now I want to point out, I'm being careful not to trim off too much because then I'm without a hitch at all. So if you're gonna trim off any portion of the hitch, just be mindful of that. Once you're ready to glue these on, you don't need a lot of glue, just a little bit. From the very beginning, I've been using Gorilla Super Glue Gel. So the early verdict for me is well worth giving these a shot. There were 2 fails. Got ahead of myself and attached a trailer a little too early on that one. Before the glue was set. Super glue gel, I like to give that at least 24 hours to set. In this case, not doing that. Wound up taking 2 steps back. As for this custom green light pickup, the crew cab, the only issue with this was every last trailer was raised, so all I need there is a hitch with a longer drop. Just like this. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it there. Do share your thoughts in the comments below. Does this put an end to crafting a hitch quick? Or is that better? Are green light hitches better? What do you think? I encourage you to like this video if you like it. Hit subscribe if you haven't yet. Share this video with friends. Tag me on Instagram if you get these hitches and want to do something with them. You know the rest. It's RT Spacer with you. It's time for me to get rolling. And just what do we have here? The return of the Rangers. The one with the moving parts. That's the opening hood and the tailgate. This just might be even cooler than the first one in gray. Where is that gray one?